Iowa City has a writing community unlike any other.
UNESCO has deemed us to have one of the strongest literary cultures in the world.
This is a place that values writers.
The craft of writing, the idea of imagination is taken seriously here. It's literally etched in our sidewalks.
There's a general consensus around the world that Iowa is the center of creative writing. It's partly because this is where the academic discipline of teaching creative writing began.
Some people come through here, their confidence grows. Some people come through and are terrified because they understand that they're not the only talented writer in the United States.
You know when you sit down in a workshop that you are surrounded by people who care as deeply about craft, about language, about trying to produce work that lasts.
And that real diversity of background and artistic sensibility helps because nobody can take anything for granted.
If somebody has an example in their head, what does that do?
What's unique about not only the courses we offer, but the teachers, is that they're built around the experience of understanding what's called the workshop method. A writer of a given genre creates a piece. That piece is then shared with a number of other writers who come from a similar discipline or genre. They read it critically. They read it again, even more critically. They comment on it, and then there's a discussion. These instructors are graduates of the nonfiction writing program, are graduates of the writer's workshop, and these are the top graduate writing programs in the world.
You have an amazing English department with a wonderful creative writing major whose faculty is as impressive as the workshops. You have an amazing certificate program, the Spanish language writing program, the Center for the Book. So many resources for undergraduate writers. All these amazing programs have created in Iowa City this incredible, vibrant literary culture that anyone who's interested in writing benefits from.
There is a parrot imitating spring in the palace, its feathers parsley green. Out of the swamp the cane appears to haunt us.
Lila knew it couldn't have been the way she remembered it, as if she were carried along in the wind.
It was an old beat-up car, but it was a good one, and these boys looked all right to me. Said they worked at the mill.
There was a time when I thought I loved my first wife more than life itself. Now I hate her guts. I do. How do you explain that? What happened to that love?
People both inside the university and outside in the community are deeply invested in what people are working on. They're interested in the books that writers are producing. This is a place where you can be fully immersed in a literary community.
I do think that there is room for writing in any student's or any person's life. That's another benefit of living in Iowa City and going to the University of Iowa specifically. There is a push and an initiative and a respect for writing.
There is known to be a place where words have dirt on their shoes. Many have bowed to their writing in attics and basements, at rest by the river or paused on a bridge. They were here who made the sentence behave and misbehave, who added chapter and verse and recast the myth. The cafe grows quiet as they write. The espresso machine lets go the steam someone may write in on the mirror.